If you're an affiliate marketer, overwhelmed and unsure about where to start, in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how the most successful affiliate marketers use Canva to make money online. I'll show you how to make eye-catching images that make your blog posts instantly engaging. I'll also help you design Instagram posts that send traffic to your links. And I'll also help create mini website with Canva where you can promote your affiliate products. Canva is one of the most effective tools that most affiliate marketers are using to help create their content. But for now, let's get into it. Now first, I'm gonna show you how to make thumbnails and photos in Canva, specifically for your blog post creation. If your blog post ranks on Google, but it still looks boring, do you think anyone's gonna stay around to read the whole thing? Good affiliate marketers use eye-catching thumbnails and photos to boost engagement within their articles and ultimately drive people to their links or even their specific product. Take this website as an example. After they speak about a specific topic to do with Canva, they create an eye-catching, relatable photo to finish the topic off. And then they link it with one of their own products. Now you may not have a product, and that's fine, but the same goes if you're an affiliate. Just link the specific image to your affiliate link, and if someone goes through that link to buy something, you make the commission. All right guys, so I'm actually gonna start this one with an example of what I've used on our specific website. So for me, I wanted to create a review on Opus Clip. This is pretty much just an AI video editor that cuts longer form clips down into short form clips. But anyway, so to start it, this is my featured image of the review. So straight away, just gets to the point. Opus Clip Review, the smartest AI video editor. I've even put a little logo there. So someone that comes straight onto this page, they know exactly what they're gonna get. All right, so the question is, how can you create a thumbnail and a photo for your blog post? And that's exactly what I'm gonna do for you right now. So the best option to choose to go and create a photo or a thumbnail for your blog post would probably be the size of a YouTube thumbnail. So what you wanna do, you've got YouTube thumbnail here. If it's not there, you can always just type in here, YouTube thumbnail. So what you wanna do now, you actually wanna go to the elements bar on the left-hand side, and you wanna type in these specific keywords, and Canva will load all these stock photos related to what you've searched. So I've gone and searched AI video editor, and I've got this photo here. Now, if you've already seen, this is the example that we used in our blog article. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I created that. So to get it to the right size, you just wanna drag it to the top left-hand corner and drag it down like that. Then we wanna add our text. So we said Opus Clip Review, the smartest AI video editor, question mark. Now, if you wanted to get some text, come over to the left-hand side, click on text, add a heading, Opus Clip Review. Now, if you wanted to change the color of the text, you just go to the A button up here, and let's go with white. That's what we used in our blog article, so we're gonna go with that. And then if you remember, we had it to the right-hand side of the page. So what I'm gonna do now is copy all of this, and I'm gonna click on this button here, the alignment button. Just click on that once and that'll send that over there. Now I'm just gonna format it a bit better, so I'll probably do something like this. And if you wanna change the position of the text, you just wanna click on it like that and drag it up there. Now we can always change the size of it as well. So you can just press this plus button here and it can increase the size. We can drag it back like that. And then what you wanna do now is actually go and include some effects. So I'm gonna go to the effects button at the top here. So let's go with the shadow. With our color, we're just gonna go with black. So then it gives it that sort of tone finish. Now, if you wanted to change the offset, you can change it, the direction of it, the transparency. You guys can always play around with it. So there's so many different effects and styles that you can choose. So feel free to be as creative as possible. And then lastly, I just went and got an Opus Clip image from Google, and I'll just put that in there, drag it down here, and just make it a bit smaller. So then at least people know what they're looking at. Next strategy some of the most successful affiliate marketers use to make money with Canva is by adding their Amazon links within their Canva website. Now, you're not specifically building a full website. This Canva website could just be a mini resource page where you're promoting Amazon affiliate products, and then you can just have a link in your Instagram description for people to go and click through. Actually go and create a Canva website. You're gonna have it right here in front of you, website. You wanna click on that. Now, because we wanna use this to actually sell a product, I would be going to the design page at the top here to look for a template that is pretty much made for helping to sell products. So I would type in selling products. Now you can just scroll through here. You can pick anything you want, something that's gonna suit you. Now I've decided to go with this product. So that's valued at $350. Click on copy image. We'll go back to here. Let's delete that. Now this is actually a frame in Canva, so you can put whatever photo you want, and then you can just drag it into that frame and it automatically fits it to that frame. So let's paste this in there and I'll show you what I mean. So this is our watch here, this is the photo, drag that in there. So we've got our image in there. You can change the background color because it doesn't really go with this. What you can actually do is if you click on that, and then if you have the Canva Pro version, now this is only for the Canva Pro version, which is $15 a month, but I definitely recommend it. All the additional features that you get are so helpful. So you want to click on BG Remover. So this is a background remover. So that's going to take away the white out of that image. So now that we've got our image, we're happy with our image, the background color, let's go and put our title in there, and then just also a few features and a bit of a description. Now, if you wanted to go get a bit of information about the product, you can always just go to the product page and scroll down and you've got about this item. So you might just want to look for the best features or the best information about the specific product. That's going to actually help with promoting it. All right, so now my page looks a little something like this. The next thing that you want to do is actually go and get the affiliate link from that specific product from Amazon, and then you want to implement it into your page here. So what you want to do, you want to go back to Amazon, and if you've applied for the Amazon Associates and you've been accepted, then you would have this button up here on every product page that you actually go to. So this is where you can go and get the affiliate link that's tracked to your specific account. So if I go and click on Get Link, it's going to give you a short or a full link. Now, the full link is way too long, so you just want to go with a short link. You want to copy that. Let's go back to our website page, and let's click on this button here. So view products, we could probably change something here and say buy now. Now what you want to do is actually click on it again, and if you right click, it's going to come up with this here, link. So you can link that to a specific page. So that's where we're going to go and implement our affiliate link. Let's paste that in there, click on done, done again. Now let's actually make it a bit bigger so people can actually see it. Let's go and put our text a bit larger. And I also like to go and round off the edges so it looks more like an oval shape. So you can click on corner rounding and just sort of bring that up a bit more, and you can see the sort of effect of it. I'm just going to change the text color as well. So I'll probably stick with white, and then I would probably go with something like a green or a sort of bluish color. Something like this will work well. So it stands out, people know exactly where to go if they want to buy the product. And that's how you implement your Amazon affiliate links into your Canva website. Next, I'm going to show you how to create Instagram posts using Canva. Think carousels like top 3 ways you can make money using Canva. These posts lead viewers to your affiliate links, and Canva makes it super simple to design. All right guys, so I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram post using Canva. In particular, I'm going to show you how to create a carousel. So if I wanted to go and create a carousel for my Instagram post, I would just type into Canva, carousel Instagram post. Now, it's going to give you a ton of different options that you can choose from. One thing to note is in the bottom right here of each of these templates, it's going to have a pro button there. So if you only have the Canva free version, then you won't be able to access these. There will be some free templates, but they're definitely not as good as the pro version. So the actual example we're going to use for this tutorial is going to be 3 easy ways to make money with Canva. You can go ahead and choose whatever template that you feel is going to suit whatever you're going to be talking about. But for now, for this example, I'm just going to go with this first one here. Once you've clicked on the template, you can click on customize this template. This is where you can start editing it. So 3 easy ways to make money with Canva. We would just put that in our title here, 3 easy ways. You can always go and change the photos in the background or however you want to do it, whatever's going to actually suit your Instagram post. All right, so once you've done that, you've made whatever changes you want to make, you're going to scroll to page 2. So my page 2 is pretty much just going to be like a bit of an intro. So just pretty much discussing what I'm going to be talking about in that Instagram post. So things like why Canva, why it's helpful for you, how you can make money with it, all those sort of things. It doesn't have to be long. It can just be a brief description of what you're actually going to go through. Now you go through, create your second page, and then so forth. Whatever you guys are going to talk about in your Instagram post. I've already shown you how you can change fonts, sizes, effects, colors, all this sort of stuff. You can go and implement this now into your Instagram post. I'm now going to show you how you can make a QR code in Canva. You could be promoting a freebie or a digital product. Affiliate marketers use QR codes in PDFs or Instagram posts to drive viewers to their links. All right, so next I'm actually going to show you how to create a QR code. So to do that, you actually want to go and create a new design, and it's going to be a logo. So you can go to the top left-hand corner here where it says create. and then logo. From here, you wanna go to the left-hand side here and scroll down to where it says apps. Click on apps and then type in up here QR code. Now you're gonna be able to generate your own unique QR code. Click open, and then you need to go and put your URL in. So whatever you intend of using that QR code for, you wanna go and implement the URL. For example, we could again just use that Amazon affiliate link that we got. We'll paste that in there and click on generate code. And there you go. You just want to drag it up here, upsize it, click on share, download, click on download again. And last of all, I'm going to show you how to add captions to a video in Canva. As we all know, short form content drives traffic fast, and captions, they keep people watching. You can use this for your shorts, your reels, or your TikToks that pretty much promote your affiliate tool with a call to action, something like check the link out in the bio. All right, so the final tutorial is how to go and add captions to your video. So if you wanted to add captions to your video, the first thing you want to do is actually go and create a video design. So you want to click on where it says video. So if you're doing short form content, you would go with a mobile video or an Instagram story. If you're going with long form content, you'd go with the video as landscape. For now, I'm going to give you the example as if you're going to go and post a reel. So we'll go with a mobile video. So whatever video you want to go and add captions to, you just want to make sure it's been downloaded, and then you want to drag it into this project. All right, so once you've uploaded your video into this project, you want to go to the left-hand side here, and where it says text, you want to click on text, scroll down and click on captions. It could look something like this. So if you did want to change what the actual captions look like, you could just click on it, and then you've got all these settings up here on how you want to change it. So you could change the effects, you could go with an outline finish, splice, however you guys want to do it. All right guys, so you now know how to turn Canva into a money-making tool specifically for your affiliate business. If this helped, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.